dressing smart casual. Oh, I love dressing in suit. If you've seen my pictures where I'm wearing a suit, it's so elegant on me, you know, the way it holds me and stuff. But I can't wait to take that suit off me. You know, when I'm with a t-shirt, this is an entrepreneur's uniform. T-shirt, smart casual, I can run, I can fight, I can do whatever. I feel so free, you know. I feel so free. I can stand and do whatever I want to do. I can trek, I can take Okada, I can bob a taxi, I can do whatever I want to do. The way I'm dressed, smart casual. I love being smart casual. A lot of people see it as a weakness, but to me it's my style, and I'm happy. The 1,000 VIP winners bought into the culture of the t-shirt. That's what we do in our meetings. People dress smart casual. We could wear the aptitude. I could wear aptitude that's softer. It's smart casual. The suit, I don't have any problem with the suit, but I don't like it. I could hold it for some very few occasions, but I prefer being smart casual because it allows me to express myself in a very simple way. That doesn't take the respect I get. So many people say dress the way you be addressed. That's when you are still an amateur. When you have the level of commitment and dedication and efficiency in what you're doing. If you are one of the best in your industry, what you wear doesn't matter. I could get like this to a board. Actually, you know, many ambassadors who had a meeting that was like last year or 2 years ago. Everybody was with a suit. I came with a t-shirt. I am an entrepreneur. I got my badge. The bodyguards of the ministers, all those big colonels, were like, Chupao, monsieur, vous êtes invité? I introduced myself. I said, I need to sit. When I came, my name was there and stuff like that. And I sat with them. Your outfit, you could become so good at what you do that your outfit doesn't really matter to people. Nobody look down on me because I'm an entrepreneur. They understand this is a dress code of an entrepreneur. Be good at what you do and your dressing won't matter. Voice, as an entrepreneur, you kind of have the voice. The voice to impact lives. People listen to you. When you say something, people follow. If you have traction, if you have a track record, people are going to follow you because you have a voice. Entrepreneurs have voice. Think about the greatest entrepreneurs in the world. You will see that they have a voice. When they say something, it touches lives, all right? Because they're entrepreneur. That's one thing you need to pay attention to. You can change the world, man. Yes, you can change the world. As an entrepreneur, you can change the world. Elon Musk changed the world. The guys, Serge of Google, they changed the world. You know, Jack Dorsey of Twitter changed the world. You know, the person who came, who invented the plane, changed the world. Entrepreneurs have the possibility to change the world with a new invention or even an innovation, all right? You can change the world with a new idea, with a new product, with a new service, with a new solution. You can change the world. That's the benefit of being an entrepreneur. Change the world is so linked to happiness. High on life for life, all right? A lot of people think they take drugs. And I ask myself, why do people really take drugs? It's because they want to escape from the realities of life. They don't want to face life, all right? You know, some other people take drugs because they're bored. Guys, when I get up, I'm drunk. I'm high. I'm high on what? On life. I'm high on life. I don't need any alcohol to get high. I'm high on life. 247. You just need to wake me up. When I get up, I'm high. I'm driven. I'm passionate. I don't need any drug, marijuana whatsoever. Entrepreneurs, most entrepreneurs, the real entrepreneurs are high on life and for life. Not for 1 day, 2 days. I'm not hard working for today, tomorrow, and some days. No. You meet me today, as long as I'm healthy, I'm good to go high energy all the time. There's no down moment when it comes to entrepreneurship. Real entrepreneurs. The next, age doesn't matter. You can become an entrepreneur at any age. It doesn't matter. That's why I tell people don't rush it. Make sure you stay under someone, work for a company if you can. If you got the opportunity, go to school, get certifications. If you got the opportunity, develop skills if you got the opportunity. Because entrepreneurship is not running. Alright? Work for someone, make mistakes with other people's capital so you can learn and build a reputation for yourself, understand the marketplace, understand what you want to do. Next, legacy. Oh God. You don't know how this life is so, how can I say, like it's a vanity, it passes so quick. You want to kind of leave the kind of legacy next to Mandela. People keep you 300-400 years after you're gone, 20 20 years after you're gone, 30 years after you've gone. A lot of people die and nobody talks about them. It's gone. What did that person do? Did you write a book? Did you write a song? Did you do a movie? Did you build a company? Did you invent something? Did you create a product? Did you have like a following? Did you build a community? What did you do? Legacy is priceless. And that's what entrepreneurs are looking for. They live for legacy. They breathe on legacy. They work hard on legacy. Legacy is very important for entrepreneurs. Next, recognition. I can't count the number of times people have invited me for this award or that award. I'm not really interested these days for awards. Maybe there's going to be a time where I'll be interested for awards. I'm not really the award kind of person, but you get so much recognition. Even if it's not the award, when you go to parties, you go to events, the way people receive you, the way people talk to you, with so much respect, admiration, you can easily become a star or a celebrity as an entrepreneur. As a matter of fact, maybe that's why I'm called Star Daddy in the building, right? Next, location doesn't matter. It doesn't matter whether you are in America, you are in Congo, you are in Russia, you are in China. Entrepreneurship will start anywhere. The founder of TikTok is not American. A lot of people are saying, to start a social media platform, Zicalo is in Douala. The founder of Zicalo is in Douala. Entrepreneurship doesn't really, depend on your location. You don't need any degrees. No degrees, man. No degrees. No degrees. Park Guarantee has no degree. Fosso Victor, no degree. Park Catching the Fosso, no degree. 90% of entrepreneurs in Cameroon have no degrees, so you don't really need degree. That doesn't mean school is not important. You want to go to school, go to real school where real entrepreneurs, are doing real things. For example, in Cameroon, the one university I can recommend that will give you hands-on, learning content that will change your life, the kind of curriculum that would be so applicable in companies is Sky High University. The one university I can recommend. Why? Because Sky High University got lecturers they run multi-million-dollar companies. So why would you go to a university where you see your lecturer, he's broke, he's not running the company, he's talking out of theory? Come to Sky High and that's why I'm doing my MBA, by the way. I decided I would never go to school. I'm an autodidact. But when I saw that Sky High got lecturers that own companies, not one, not two, so many companies. These are the people I'll be talking with. They'll be mentoring and coaching me in my own business, giving me strategies and giving me the connection. Oh no, I'm all in. No matter the cost, I'm going in for Sky High because I know the reward of that, being that kind of a network. You develop unique muscles as an entrepreneur. This is very important. You will never know the kind of things you can do or your abilities, your God-given potential until you face some kind of challenges. All right. For example, in the domain of sports, when there are some muscles that you develop if you're a boxer. Until you're a boxer, you will not develop those type of muscles. Some boxers have muscles even on their lips, their eyes, they have been so punched upon until their faces are swollen, and they have got this, the way they are formed is different, because of that discipline. So entrepreneurship will give you some unique muscles. As for me, it's my brain. The way I think is different. As you are talking to me, I'm already reading you. I'm already reading everybody in the room. I already know the next thing to do. If you're not careful, I could even put them inside a box. Because entrepreneurs need to think 10, 20, 30 steps ahead of everybody in the room, all right? And that's what you need to do. You develop some unique muscles that are rare. That said, am I advising you to become an entrepreneur? Maybe. But what I'm advising you to do more than anything is to become the entrepreneur that works with other entrepreneurs, and that is the highest level of entrepreneurship. Intrapreneurship is the highest level of entrepreneurship. You want to become an intrapreneur. That said, I hope you found value. If you have questions, thoughts, don't forget to put it on the comment section. And as well, share this video to as many people as possible and share the benefits of becoming an entrepreneur.